Welcome friends. Today I'm going to discuss about the Java Stream API and it's up for the part 2. Part 1 I have already covered a few things. That's the common things for the Java Stream API. That's the filter map and the map to double and the comparing, okay, sorting. So today I'm focusing more about the statistics and the group by, okay. So first thing is that we know how to, if we have the list of the array to print it, what we are going to do. I have already covered in the first part, right? So here, suppose you have a car object, right? Here I have car object. It's having ID, make, and the price, color. Okay. So I have created that list of add list dot add, populate that with ID, name, price, and the color. Okay. So I have already populated, and now I want to print that card object. Okay. How can I do that? So list dot for each, we can do that. So list dot for each, we get the car. So each of the car. So list of the car, we get each car and the system out dot println and the car get ID and the car get make. So you will get that car accordingly. Okay. So this is the one way. Now next part is how will I get the statistics? Suppose here we have the list of the car object. Okay. When we have list of car object. Here is the list of car objects. So car having different type of car. Okay, Tata, Nissan, Maruti. Okay, I need its average, it's a minimum price, maximum price, all of it. So there is a two way you can do that. Either you can get it one by one. That's for the Java Stream API. You can use that function, sum operation, sum function. Okay. So here is the different thing, right? Here is the sum function, count function, mean, max. Okay. So you will get it, and the count operation you will get it. So how will you get that? So here you will see here that list of cars stream map to double, and then car, and the first we get the list of car. From that list of car you will get the all that price. So first we have the car object having all that properties. So my intention, uh, area of interest for the price only, right? So for price I am going to map it, map to double. So car price, so for double, and dot mean, dot max, so dot sum, dot count. So irrespective, here you can filter it. So I did not make it as a price, so here you can filter it, or without filter it you will get the entire count. Okay, you will get it. And you also need to or else. So it's optional, or else minus 100. Suppose you, it's an empty list, so you will get the some default value minus 100 or something, some value, right? Minus 999. So it will be it's a exception handling. It's a very easy way. Otherwise you will get kind of null or null pointed exception kind of thing. Java it handle it very intelligently. The other way, what you can do it, so you can use map to double summary statistics. So using summary statistic, you will get all at once. Okay, so this way you can get that all that statistics information. The next part is the group by. So what is the group by? So you have the list of the car which have, so you have the list of car, you have, there's a car having the ID, maker, color, price. Okay, now I want all the car which having brand as a Nissan, all the car which having brand as a Tata. Okay, so I want list. Okay, so how can I get it? So suppose you, my expectation of the output is, so all the first I can get by the color. So all the color, it can be anything, Nissan, Tata, Maruti, everything. So you will get all the car, I mean car having a color as a red. So it will be easier to identify. It's the area of interest for the customer. Okay, and the blue for the blue color having Nissan, Maruti, yellow color Honda, Maruti, so you will get it. Similarly, group by model also, you want Maruti only, so you will get Maruti. It can be different color, you can get Tata, you can get as a Tata with a different color, so you will get it. Now question is how we can get it. So I have created one utility function here. So one utility function uh, here what I have done. So group by, you can make it color, you can make it as a maker. So group by group type, according to the group type, if I group type is a color or make, so maker Nissan, Tata, Maruti. So accordingly collectors dot grouping by car method reference get make. So simple thing, collectors dot grouping by, you will get the group by. So and give the class and the method reference, you will get it. Okay, this is a very simple. Now what you are getting, you are getting map, is that type. So it's the is the type, is the first is the type, is the color what I have passed here, group type string, and then the list of the car. So all with that strings. If I the red, all that red color. If it's the Nissan, all that Nissan. Maruti, all that list of the car. I will get it. So what next thing what I'm going to do? Print the map. So from the map I have the string and the list of the car. So what I'm going to do? So grouping by dot for each in the group type and the car list. Group type system out dot println group type, and the car list dot for each system out method reference println. Okay, or you can just lambda expression. So this way you can get it. So let me revisit the same thing from the code itself. So code what I have done here, stream with car object. So car object, what I have done, so list of the car I have populate, create populate car list. So I get that car list, and from there and also list of empty. Okay, so here what I get it, so list of the car I get it. But if I make it the list of the empty car, okay, what you are going to get it. So here you are getting list of the car. Okay, if I make it list of empty car, so what is list of empty car? So list of car I get it, print list, print car list. I want list of empty car. Let me see. Let me see here. So list of empty car, it will print house. I have a list of empty car. It should print original list of car. You will not find anything here. Okay, so you can handle it. List of car, print list, print car list. So here I have not. Okay, sorry, I'm wrong. Here I have handled it for minimum maximum. Okay, so get average car list. Okay, here or else get average car list. So here I have actually implemented that exception scenario. So here average car cost, list of empty car. So okay, I have already handled it. So here you see list of average cost empty. So average cost empty. So for average, I have handled it. Okay. So minus 100, otherwise 61. So since I have making it minus 100, you can make it 999. So you will get 999 for average cost of car is minus 999. So this way we can handle it. And for group summary statistics, so we will get map to double summary statistics. So you can from alt stat you will get it, or you will get so anything like get average, get count, get max, so anything you will get it. Okay, otherwise it will print entirely like all that minimum maximum count all at once. Okay, here you will see count, sum, minimum, maximum, average, everything, all things in the same class. Okay, and for the grouping collectors dot here you will get the grouping. So grouping card, so first I am passing it the list of card and the type, group type, color and the maker. So here with the switch case I have handled it. So collectors dot grouping by with the card method reference get make or color, I have handled it. Here I will get the map. So here I am getting map and then printing the map, just print the map, and that's it. You will get. So I already got it. So for red color I get it, blue color I got it, for the group by color. So green color I got it. So if you see red, all are red, blue, all are blue, yellow, so all are the group by. So this group by concept is uh, also present in the SQL and the group by name, group by I mean class. So similar thing, instead of the SQL operations, it's a very slow, and you can handle it with the Java 8. It's a multi-core facility. You can handle it. It's a very super fast. Okay, so this way you can use Java 8. So today I have handled for printing card object, statistics, and the group by. Okay, hope you have enjoyed. Thank you very much.